So at first I was going to try to get this window out without breaking it by taking this little brittle plastic trim all the way around. Then I found out that the window was actually caulked or glued in, and ended up kind of having to break it out anyway. So after wasting about 10 minutes with that brittle trim, I decided that the sliding pane, I could easily bend the frame, the track out and pull the window out, and there you go. And enough with the gentle stuff, I just broke it all out. Trying to do, I've got sheetrock that's supposed to be the vapor barrier, so it's an old house and it's kind of doesn't make a whole lot of sense. They build them better nowadays. I'm trying to leave the sheetrock intact because I can't really go and replace it because I got brick over it. I've got this board here, I'm not exactly sure what it is, for some sort of frame deal, I guess. I'm trying to separate this frame from this board and leave it in there because it goes back behind the brick and I can't refasten it. So what I'm doing is I'm coming in here, cutting off the nail heads that are attaching this aluminum to this frame board, cutting them off and then taking a Dremel and then going in and getting rid of the nail and taking it, then taking it out this way here. So it's kind of working. There's a hole there. We'll see what happens when I get it all out. Albion B12S20. We're using this R guard. So I used some Sika Pro mortar fix from Home Depot, about $6, $7 a tube. I came in and filled in some of the voids, attempted to color match. Came in and put some spray foam filler just in some of the spots that I needed it. And then I came back and taped the border because I'm going back with some caulk that's an almond color, and I don't want it to be uneven lines on the edge here. So then I'll caulk it and then pull the tape. It should give me straight lines. We'll see if that works. So now I'm coming back with some Vulcan 116. It's an almond color and it's super flexible, great caulk. So using tape worked a whole lot better than I had thought it would. So I end up double caulking around inside here. Worked out pretty nice.